Friends, in this video, I will discuss how we can make 4-way single switch circuit using IC 4017. I request you please watch this video till end and subscribe my channel for more videos. Friends, I will share the diagram of this circuit at the end of video. Friends, you can see in this circuit I use decimal counter CD4017, a push button, a resistor of value 33K, a capacitor of value 104. Red, yellow, green and blue LEDs are used for output indication. Here I use a resistor of value 220 ohm. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. Now I will test the output of this circuit by connecting power supply to the breadboard. Friends, you can check the output of this circuit. Friends, I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.